What's up everyone, Zen the Geek here, and today we'll be unboxing and giving a first look on the OPPO Find X5 Pro 5G. So this one is the ceramic white color with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal memory. This should be the only variant that's coming to Malaysia. Let's open it up and let's go. So that's the phone, and inside here you'll be getting your printed materials, a silicone case which is included, and oh, there's something else in here. Oh yes, the SIM card ejector and this black card. What is this black card? Premium service. Alright, so this is your premium service card. Just scan the QR code and register your device. And this is the phone itself in all its glory. Ceramic white, look at that. With the Mary Silicon logo here. This phone is all about the latest imaging technology that OPPO has to offer with Hasselblad. So in front here you'll see your menu. This is a 6.7-inch 120Hz LTPO 2.0 AMOLED screen. Oh my god, that was a mouthful. And it looks drop dead gorgeous. USB-C port right there and your SIM card slot. So let's see. This is the 80-watt charger. This is pretty big. Look at that. This is pretty big. It claims to have a full charge in just about 12 minutes. That's a pretty lofty claim. We'll have to review that later on. And this is the proprietary USB Type A to Type C cable, which will work with this because it won't work with any other cable if you want to get that 80-watt charging goodness. So as for specs, I mentioned before, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage, and it's using Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is the latest. As for camera, it has a triple camera setup. So that's a 50 megapixel wide, a 13 megapixel telephoto, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide. And what's cool here is it's using Hasselblad's color calibration. So I guess the expectations do go higher. In the front, you get a 32 megapixel front-facing shooter. That's about pretty standard these days. So all eyes on this, on the might and potential that Mary Silicon has for the future of photography, as OPPO claims. Man, this is really nice to admire, but I can already feel that it's going to attract a lot of fingerprints. Just look at how reflective that back is. But still, it does look really, really nice. Can't really wait to find out how much this phone is going to cost in the Malaysian market. It's going to be announced in this week, so stay tuned and watch out for my review. This is Zen the Geek. Thanks for joining this unboxing. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.